G'day guys, Cox is here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to migrate your current Vault Inu tokens to the new contract. So let's start off by adding the V2 contract to our wallet. For this demo, I'll be using MetaMask, but for other wallets, the process will be borderline the same. If you have already purchased Vault through a DEX, so for example Uniswap or PancakeSwap, then I'd assume you'd already know how to add a new token to your wallet you use. So, I'm going to need you to go down to the description and copy the new contract address, and then go to your MetaMask wallet or the wallet you choose to use, and once logged in, we need to import the new token. So, to import a new token, just scroll down, go to import tokens, select custom token, and paste the address in, and it should autofill the token symbol and the token decimal. If not, just enter these values on your own and then add custom token. Select import tokens, and now that should be added to your wallet. So these steps apply for the Binance Smart Chain also, but what you'll need to do is just change to the network that your tokens are held on. So for example, in your MetaMask wallet, just click the down arrow and select BSC, Binance, or whatever you titled it when you added the network to your wallet, but that's only if you hold Vault on the Binance Smart Chain. If not, then just make sure you have selected the Ethereum mainnet, as I have here. Now, in your browser, just type in everrise.finance and hit enter. It should take you to their swap page. Now on the left side you'll see Ever Migrate, and under that you'll see Upgrade. Just click that. Now this is what we will be using to migrate our tokens to the new contract. And if you're on your mobile phone, just simply tap the top left hand corner in MetaMask, select browser, search or type URL, and just simply put everrise.finance. And on the website itself, just tap the three bars on the top left and just tap upgrade. But be warned, you'll need to pay a small fee to enable you to migrate, and then on top of that, you'll need to pay a gas fee to transfer your tokens over. So make sure you have enough ETH or BNB in order to do that. On the BSC side, your fee is extremely small, so I don't think anyone there should have issues. But on ETH side, it's just sadly how it is. But as I mentioned in the past, there will be no 13% tax on this transfer. If your wallet hasn't already connected to the site, just click Connect Wallet, and a small window will pop up and you just choose the wallet you use. And as you can see, there's MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, and Wallet Connect, but we'll be using MetaMask. Now where it has input token, just click where it says Everrise and then select Vault Inu. And the amount you hold should appear. So available to trade is 54 quadrillion, and that equals my total balance. Now I want to migrate all of my tokens, so you can click the max button. But if for some reason you want a custom percentage, you can use the slider underneath and select a custom percentage. So as you can see, my 544 quadrillion now turns into 544 million, and that's because of the new supply. If you wish, you can actually direct this to a different wallet, and all you will need to do for that is just get their wallet address and paste it into here. Once you've got that sorted and you have double checked everything, you can now enable the migration feature. So just click enable. A new window should pop up. Simply just confirm that fee. Once the transaction is confirmed, you'll now be able to just simply click the migrate button. Another window will appear. It will display a gas fee, so an estimated gas fee of $25.63. I think that's a bloody good bargain, so confirm that. And my migration has started. And as you can see, once the transaction is successful, it actually displays the date and time of when you've done the transaction, as well as how much they took out and how much they put back in. And if we double check in our wallet, as you can see, all my Vault V1 has now been turned into Vault V2. Once again guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you guys out, and I understand this can be quite daunting, but I can assure you Vaultoshi made it as easy and as simple as possible for us to migrate our tokens over. But rest assured, I'm here to help you guys out as much as I possibly can. Make sure you migrate within the next few days, because at the end of the week, you won't receive them straight away. They will need to manually check each address and match the transactions. So don't miss out. If this helped you out at all guys, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to stay up to date with Vault and what's coming, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. As I've said in the past, I try and deliver the correct information to you guys, because the last thing I want is for you guys to get the wrong information. So once again, thanks for watching, and as always, have a good one.